Hello everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, we aim to simulate a manual metal arc welding process in two-dimensional. But first, we're going to talk about a couple of theories behind it, and here we go. In this module, you're going to learn about how to create a 2D model in SYSWELD, how to perform a thermometallurgical analysis in MMAW process, and how to do the phase transformation analysis. Alright, in this tutorial we're going to simulate a 2D MMAW in a lap joint configuration with a flat bead, and the material is ST52, which is a low carbon alloy, low carbon steel alloy, and the filler material is the same. This is the model dimension. There are two sheet metals in the lap joint configuration with 30mm overlap and 6mm thickness, and the weld egg is 6mm as well, and each sheet is 80mm long. And these are the coordinates of the model. As I said before, in SYSWELD we're going to deal with coordinates, so this is a map for your convenience to create this model easier. We're going to talk about that while we're doing the simulation. In SYSWELD, while we are simulating an arc welding, it is going to use the Goldak model. And what is the Goldak model? The Goldak model is a model to predict thermal gradients and the shape of the flux and the weld pool and determining the properties. This model is created. This model is consisted of two ellipsoids, one front and one rear, and this front ellipsoid is going to create the heat, and the rear one is going to maintain the heat inside the weld pool. So this is the formula of the Goldak model, and we have some terminology here. QF and QR are referred to the maximum normalized maximum front power source intensity. So this Q is consisted of 2Q, which is QF, and QR, and we have A, B, C, and D here are visible, and there are the width of the bead and penetration of the bead of the weld, and everything else is here. So this model is also referred as a double ellipsoid model to simulate the weld pool properties. Alright, and as I said before, we're going to deal with the phase analysis, phase evolution analysis. So here I included all of the phases which are being coded in SYSWELD. For instance, phase 1 is ferrite, phase 2 is filler material, phase 3 is martensite, bainite, and so on. So here I just copied that from the SYSWELD program. I will show you later in the next video how I did that, and it's just for our convenience. Alright, without the waste of time, let's jump to the next video. I explained everything to you, so see you in the next video.